tuseme $10. Asi make profit kama sija make 50,000. Unaelewa? So target yangu ni 50,000 kwa kila traders hiyo session. Single trade yenye tumerun na watu wenye wako hapo live itamaanisha aje umsa shatenga 50, so mwenye ana deposit $10 akitengeleza ikienda sana ikue $12 atoe by that time. Asipotoa ikifika tu 13, hiyo pesa wewe jua venye utafanya isitoke. So that is all programming. So the site that I create,
mimi kitu naongea hapa ni ukweli, si saidi mtu ama nini. So hizi site zingine zenye nyinyi you people mna introduce ya chupa Kenyan Prince.
Why don't you let a neutral person
Let me tell you the mistake you did.
Okay, Prince,
the mistake you did.
Let a neutral person
Hold on, guys. Do this. Nani, Abed.
The mistake.
Okay. Abed, 1 second. Please, guys, I'm the host. I don't want this one to look as a child play. Okay? Let Abed make his point. No matter how hard the point is on you, you will be given a point to either interject or object, depending on what you have to say concerning somebody's point. But until he makes a landing, let him land, then you retaliate. Tafadhali.
Okay, let me continue. So, nilikuwa nasema hivi, hii story na sites, unasikia? People have come up with sites za kuibia watu. It is true. Unaona, mimi nashangaa. Like, sasa unaona forex trading, if you have to use a broker, if you are registering, broker inakuitisha verification. You have to upload your ID. You have to verify your resident. Lakini unapatiwa site yenye hata ID uitishwi. Ukideposit pesa ndio sasa withdraw hiyo pesa, lazima uite chief ndio withdraw do. Nasikia. Withdraw ni ngumu. Sasa unajua watu hapa wanajaribu kujidefend ati
no don't mess with me. Chala, you are not being referred to. Come on, can you behave like others?
Yeah, uongo, but why are you talking lies?
Can you behave like others? Come on, Chala.
Enda with the uone kama hiyo.
Unajua, ndasema hivi, the only mistake yenye watu nimeona mtu amefanya hapa ni you cannot come to such a platform ya Omondi iko na more than 10,000 people watching. Unasikia? Then iko na more intelligent people kukushinda. Unataka kutetea, you want to defend kitu wenye. Unajua kama uongo ni uongo, huwezi geuza uongo ikuwe ukweli. Unasikia? So mimi nilikuwa hii live tangu kitambo. Prince Chala anataka kutetea scam ikuwe ni kama ni legit na si legit. The worst mistake pia anafanya, anabishana na KP. Ukibishana na mtu, make sure unabishana na mtu who is more intelligent than you. And make sure kitu pia unaongelea ni kitu enye ni ukweli. You know, it is easy to defend a truth than to defend a lie. Unasikia?
A lie, so, very true.
Forex trading, mambo ya
forex trader, what do you own? Ambia watu una own nini?
Wewe bwana, let me tell you Chala. Let me tell you Chala.
Bwana, hata upuzi.
Guys, are we not mama nini?
Saidiana na bibi yako
Chala. Guys,
bana, we are here to have a discussion bana. Hii mambo ya kubishana tuache. Can we have a
the papa says hold on guys, we have big people like Sammyboy in this building. So for the purposes I have we withdrawn Chala for a few minutes, okay? So that Abed can land, then we bring him back. Please, it is not that he's not important, but sometimes no matter how hard the truth will hit, because all of us, we are being hit with the truth. Neither tu jatajwa. Whether KP, Sammyboy, or the moment you have an FX name, itakuhit kidogo in a way or another. So let us try to accommodate this in a way that we can negotiate without fights. Tafadhali. Abed, make your point. Unmute and make your point.
Okay, thank you. So, unaona hii mambo na forex, most of you people huwa mnasema ati why do forex traders ati hiyo story kama Sammyboy alikuwa anaongelea kumwaga azul kufanya nini. Yes, there are people who are doing this because they have money to do that. They spend, hawana shida. Wewe ukiona unamwaga azul utaona zile za ni kama sijui wanataka kutuleta tuingie forex trading, unasikia? But nowadays ukiangalia the forex industry nowadays, people tend to do those things to attract people waende kwa hizo clients zao, waende kwa hizo sites zao, like wa attract. Unaona kama sasa mtu anakuambia join forex 3 months akanunua Benza, it doesn't make sense. Me myself nakwambia it makes sense. Forex trading is very hard. It took me
so not unless one thing I would agree with either KFX or Truth Watchdog is, remember, if you are running your own website, chances of that one being possible are very high. Because listen Abed, Kenya Prince was telling me something here 2 hours ago, that if 1,000 Kenyans within 2-3 months, you'll be making a very huge amount of money. So with that website being yours, that the money is going direct to your account, there's a possibility. Okay, now go ahead.
So unaona hiyo story na website, hizo website, kuna website zenye watu wamecome up now, ni wao wana control. They decide if you should withdraw your money or not. Si kama website zingine, ni wao wana control pesa kwa hizo website. So hiyo ndo kitu watu wana confuse. They want to protect hizo nini zao, website zao, yet they know very well. Kwanza juu mimi acha tu nikwambie ukweli, if you know you have a scam site, mimi sioni hata haja yako kupanda hapa, because ni wewe unajaribia biashara. You should be smart, right. Be smart na hata usionekane kwa vitu kama hizi, because you cannot uwezi anza kuprotect kitu yenye ni si genuine, unaona? Lakini mimi niko na link ya broker. Mimi broker si yangu, niko tu na link. Ni broker inanipatia commission, so kitrade. If you have any withdrawal issue, ni broker unatafuta. Unasikia? Sasa mimi naambia tu watu, be smart. If you are scamming people, we are not against you. We are just making people be aware, because
now thank you so much, Abed. Thank you so much. Now there is a point Truth Watchdog was driving home just before you interjected. So could you please, Truth Watchdog, could you please continue making your point? And all of us here, like I've said, it will hit us in a way or another. The way Sammyboy made his point without any fights, let Truth Watchdog speak, then I'll give the microphone to TZ or somebody else.
Okay, thank you, I appreciate. So I hope about the personal sites tumeelewa. Hiyo pesa inaenda kwa mwenye site. Hizo tu.com unakutana na watu every morning ama jioni. Sijui nini. And there is no way those things can be regulated. So msidanganywe ati zitakuwa regulated. Nowhere. Hiyo ni site ya msee. Hata gava ijui inafanya nini hapa. Ujue hivyo. So site tumemalizana. Na tuende kwa derive. Unafaa ku understand there is a huge difference between forex trading and binary options. Tafadhali. Kolo when we are talking to Coderive na tunafanya binary options, wewe na mtu mwenye anagambo ama mtu mwenye ako pale kwa aviator, uko kwa same class. You are not trading anything. Wewe uko hapo over under, sijui odd even. Wewe nikuulize, umefungua biashara yako, utawekea hapo mtu AI tool ya kusaidia mtu akuwe anachukua pesa yako ama akuwe na dig into your profit? It's not possible. So what happens is this: when somebody is trading is doing actually binary options, their losses, the broker ndiye ana benefit directly from your loss. Ujue hivyo. So kolo wewe uko hiyo side, mimi niko hii side. Wacha nikupe example, si ndio? Wewe umesema huko pali huko umesema ni under. Na mimi pali huko niko nimesema ni over. Wewe ukipoteza under, ile pesa yenye wewe ulikuwa unatumia, part of that money, kama nitalipwa, that is the profit I have made from this end, not from the broker. Exactly. Sawa? So losses directly to binary options equals to the broker's benefit. That is not forex. Forex, whether you lose your money, you don't lose your money, the broker does not benefit as a result. Unafaa kujua hivyo. So watu wanadu forex ni tofauti sana na binary options. Watu wanafanya binary options, hao ni gamblers. Hawana jina lingine na wasikudanganye. And then kuna point hapo nani amesema point poa sana Sami. Na nime appreciate your point. Amesema most of us are earning from commission. Wewe unafikiria kwa nini dollar printer anashinda hapa kwa mtandao? Tuta trade saa ngapi? Tuta trade hiyo saa. Because these people they want you to stick on the platform. Hawata kuibia directly at yo sijui pesa yako ilienda ikapotea z. But when you're trading on the platform, remember you are gambling on the platform and they get paid as a result of they bringing you to trade and stick to the platform. Hawalipu ya tiju ati yao ni matraders wakali. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. And traders wanafaa kuambia ukweli. Any trader claiming they are trading full time, kama ukijana amekwambia sijui alitoka university ana trade, wewe acha kubeba watu ujinga mwizi. Usichochwe, hakuna mtu ana trade full time kolo. Kitu kingine Samia amewambia hapa na akili zenyu tu. Cheki bro. Kama hauna pali ya constant pesa, wachana na forex. Uwezi kuwa hauna side hustle yako, maybe do yako 2, do yako 3. Hauna hiyo place alafu unaamini tutakuja forex umekdo. What if tuseme kwa bahati mbaya, na si hata kwa bahati mbaya, most of the time these traders blow their accounts. Ukiblow account utarudi wapi na umetumia pesa ya help? Umetumia pesa help, okay, umeblow account because every trader goes through that journey. Utatoa pido next. Tabidi kuwe mwizi, uibe mattress, uuze mattress yako na gas, urudi home muambie wazazi wamekukataa. And it is very clear you must have some source of income elsewhere. Ukiblow account yako unachukua capital unaendelea. How do traders make money? It's very important to understand that. Wacha kuangalia magari. First of all, traders make money through commission. That is number 1. So wewe endelea kufikiria wana trade. Number 2, traders make money actually through offering some what they call classes, guiding easy guidelines. Wanakuambia tuko na daro, unaweza kam daro ni 30,000. Daro ni 40,000. If you remember Estamofric class moja ilikuwa $1,000. By then it was 130,000. Wewe ukipata students wa 10, tuseme tu 10 students na walipa 130,000. Bro, do you need to trade? Which trading do you need? Na una make do, kuambia tu wasa uta make do. Aya. Kuna watu wengine wanauza classes, wanauza signals, wanakuambia tufanye copy trading, but copy trading ya Wakenya haikuangi genuinely ati msi anataka like akue beneficial alafu mtashare. Inakuanga ni trade kwa platform yangu. Wanajifichanga nyuma ya copy trading. But the purpose is you trade on that very platform. Hata taka ukue HFM na yako Xness Z tukue hapa. So nyinyi wote mnaenda under him. So yeye anakula commission whether ana lose ama ana make do doesn't matter. Still atakuwa na make 2 profit zake. Either way atalipwa. Huyo ni dollar printer, huyo ni KP hapa na wengine wengi. They earn through commission, not purposely kukuibia. But kuna vinyangarika hapa tu ziko hapa zinani watch. Na kuambia hizo zikikwambia tunakufanyia account management. Oh. Forget. So kolo, kuna uwizi ya account management na kuna uwizi ya kitu wase wanaita pool trading.
I asked Kenyan Prince about pool trading. He gave his opinion. What is yours?
Pool trading ni kitu ya usiwahi jaribu. This is what happens. So huyu msi atakuja for example ajifanya yeye ni mwalimu, akufunze forex, utaelewa. Umeelewa? So atakwambia badala ya wewe kurisk do yako, wacha tufanye hivi. Tutengeleze account big. Account ya kitu kama maybe 2 million. So atawaambia mimi nimetoa 1 million, nataka students wangu wanipatie kila mtu atoe pesa yake, lakini usitoe less than maybe 100,000. So utatoa 100,000. Then utaambiwa utakula percentage yako kulingana na do umetoa. Tukisha make profit. Sawa? Nujue kwa forex kusema kweli wezi guarantee mtu kitu yote. Unaweza kuwa umefanya kila kitu perfectly, you analyze market zako vizuri, vitu mbaya ufanyika and you will be accused umeiba. Lakini si eti umeiba, umeblow account bro. And it happens. So what happens ni hawa se wengi wa pool trading, they don't trade. Waona watumia do, wengine watatengeleza kitu tunaita center account ya USD, alafu anawaambia bro nimeblow account. Utampeleka wapi na hata hujai kutana na huyo msi? So hii mambo ya kuambia ati forex iko na pesa, muulize okay iko na pesa sikatai, wewe unatengeleza aje? Anzia tu hapo. Trading itself.
So, Nani, there's a point here I want you to Watchdog, there's a point here. You see, what is surprising all of us, and you, I know you must be surprised. It's only influencers that are getting richer, but real-time traders. You've seen that boy who dropped out of school. He has not yet bought a Mercedes. But an influencer would influence for 1 week and buy us 5 million worth Mercedes. What is the secret?
The secret mnaoshwa. Sio ndio secret. Secret ni mnaoshwa. Mwalimu tu ndio mjanja kwa hii class, ai?
Naweza ongea kidogo.
Guys, can I say something?
Yes,
yes, nani Watchdog ameongea vizuri sana. I've known him for a couple of years, I can say. Very many years nimemjua sana. And kuna kitu moja yenye ninaweza taka kuongea for those many years kutoka huko 2019 mpaka saa hii mambo ya COVID. Me have been trading since COVID ianze. Actually, that's the reason why nilianzanga trading, because COVID ilikuja tukaona the end of the world, kila mtu wako kwa nyumba anataka kufanya something. That's how I started trading. And there is more than just trading Forex. There is trading like kuna crypto trading where you can trade features, which is also the same thing as those people who trade MT5. Kuna stock trading. Kuna watu wanabuy stocks, kuna watu wanabuy kitu inaitwa bonds. So here's the thing. Kwa vitu zote zenye tumezungumzia about trading, the reality is binary trading. Hapo ndio nataka nikosoe Watchdog kidogo. Binary trading is actually trading. How the only difference between gambling and nahi, it's that this type of trading, which is called binary, you have an eye of the incoming, and what you don't know is the outcoming results. Watchdog umeelewa hiyo kidogo? Like there is an incoming result. So in trading, kuna kitu naitwanga technical analysis, price action. For example, if you are trading binary, you can use actually price action. You don't even have to trade what we call even and odd. You can actually go back and trade charts also kama binary options. Kama wale watu, mimi I trade on Polymarket. Polymarket is one of the biggest market yenye iko in the world. I trade Polymarket full time. Here is what they ask. Polymarket kama sahi watakuuliza, by any chance tonight will Messi cry? Si leo kuna World Cup finals. Messi atalia. Ukisema yes, Messi will cry, you will make money. That's binary. If Messi does not cry, you will lose that money. But here is the thing. You will need to go back to your analysis. Uangalie Messi analianga wakati ame lose World Cup. How does Messi cry? How many cries does Messi do wakati ame lose? You understand? There is what we call market and fundamentals available for you to be able to make that binary option. So when I'm talking about binary, and I really want to emphasize on that, is if you go back to Polymarket again, you will go there and you will see there is always a chart yenye inakwambia, will Bitcoin go up in 5 minutes? You will say Bitcoin will go up in 5 minutes or it will go down. You will choose. So your answer is based on your intelligence to previous results. Utaelewa ujuaje market sahi fundamentals zinakuambia market itarudi. So not every binary options is gambling. I just want to make sure people understand that you can be able to do fundamental analysis, which is honestly the lazy part that most people do not take. Wakiingia pale wanaenda tu over and under, which is gambling. Yenye wanaenda even and odd, which is gambling. But guess what? There is much more than just even and odd, over and under kwa binary options. You can choose a pair there. You can trade rise and fall depending with the price action of that current index. Also, another thing, in this industry you're trading, Watchdog, you can be able to be an eye on me. Mtu kama mimi nimepigwa vita sana Omondi kwa miaka iliyopita. Miaka kama 4 iliyopita. I used to have so many traders wanakuja kwa Watchdog. Wanamwambia venye, you know, hii Sammyboy si trader, Sammyboy ni scammer, derivatives are scamming. Watchdog anaweza prove that. Walikuwa wanakuja kabisa wanamwambia venye Sammyboy is not doing trading. Which, hiyo platform yenye nilikuwa nayo previously when we were just a few 1, 2, 3 traders is now entirely in the country, and many people are earning from it. Those people who criticized me that time, those years, wako wapi sasa?
Sammyboy,
Nataka nimalize, kuna kitu nasema Omondi, kuna kitu nataka niseme. So, as we are speaking today, I think, except Watchdog and the KP, most of these other guys when wako hapa, personally I've never met them in person unless and otherwise sikumbuki. However, every new forex trader mwenye amekuja kwa industry, there's no need to fight another person for you to be able to become famous or to be able to be known. Like for me, I pity the fact that most people who wanna get people to recruit, wanna have a say in these forex industries, they need to have a sit down to actually say something wrong or something bad about any particular trader instead of partnering. Hakuna forex trader hata kwa hii Kenya, I will speak it with no fear of contradiction. There is no particular trader in this 254 mwenye unaweza pata wamekaa chini wakapartner na a few forex traders to work on something quality. We are all in this industry shading at others. Afadhali mtu akuambie kisima ndio hii unaingia, anakuchimbia. Some of them here actually wanakuchimbia kisima. Some of them here go to other people's accounts, wana report watu wanafungiwa accounts. Some of them here wanaenda client anakuja alideposit $10, anapoteza $10, anakuja hapa, let me use wacha nitumie for example kama KFX. Anakuja kwa K anamwambia AK, maze mimi nilijoin community ya Sammyboy, uski nimepoteza $10. What happens is badala K amwambie that's the reality of trading, kuuza sera ataniharibia jina. And it's something which is going on that as we are speaking right now, we do not have a decorum. Tungekuwa tuna address these scamming traders wenye wako hapa, tungekuwa na hiyo decorum as forex traders wenye tunakuanga na partnership, tunajua hii community ya Kenya ni yao, tungekuwa tuna call out, tungekuwa tunajua ni nani huyo. Personally mimi I will never allow nitamutuma ushago, tungekuwa na hiyo decorum. The problem is we are having so much competition, so much envy to each other. Tunapata afadhali hata mtu wa kuharibia anataka kuona umeenda ushago. So as Watchdog ameongea hizi vitu zote zimekuwa zikihappen not today, zimekuwa zikihappen since before. There's what we call consistency, which we see results from other people, na kuna wale watu wengine sasa wanaenda
Sammyboy, I want to ask you something, and you be careful on how you respond to it.
Sure.
There are a lot of complaints about you as an individual, scamming people, or maybe somebody deposited or you traded for somebody. Like I have somebody who you traded with $1,000. Yeah, the SMS and messages evidence have been sent to me. I don't want to mention their names. So how do you handle a scenario where a client has gotten back to you that they lost, or you traded for somebody, then kuna mtu ulimtradia 1,000 ukafikisha $35? So I want you to tell us what is your risk management approach?
So you see, Omondi, this is not a guaranteed business. First of all, whenever I do this type of tradings, I normally give a disclaimer and I normally tell people exactly what we need to hear. And that's actually what happens in this forex industry. Whenever let's say a client loses money, akikuja kwako Omondi as a trader kwambia, you know what, maze mimi nilipoteza do jana na Sammyboy, wewe kitu unafanya utamwambia, wewe utamgarantii na pia wewe utapoteza ama wewe utamake pesa. What you have done is you have shown that this person is a scammer. Instead uangalie skills difference. Unaweza kuwa wewe umenishinda kwa hiyo trade yenye umefanya leo ikawaka na yangu jana haikuwaka. At that particular case, if I ever traded with somebody and I lost money, which I am not actually 100%, nitakudanganya nikikwambia, normally if you go into my posts every single day, as someone who has been trading for 8 years, there is no particular day I will ever tell someone, hata nikikuja kwa live nilisema, that you will ever guarantee someone that you are going to win money. Tell this person you are going to lose money. And those people who are coming to invest with you, if they lose money, they will need to know that you told them they lost. If you tell someone you guarantee them making money and you lose that money, that's wrong. Tunaelewana? So it's very normal for me to get someone here to complain because there is nobody mwenye atafurahia ati umepoteza pesa and you are actually there. It's very normal because me as someone who has knowledge, I mentioned something about these Forex influencers and any Forex trader who is in this room. Nilimention kitu na watu wa take it into accountability. So when I mentioned about primary source of income, I mentioned about people who have other businesses that they do beside trading. But what if they do not have the funds to fund the market? People like me will use the experience and the knowledge I have to be able to trade for people who do not have that knowledge, but they want to invest with a disclaimer. Umenielewa Omondi? You may answer. Is it something arguable?
Tuko sawa. Now, the last question, just before we give Abed and TZ microphone, is this. Sammyboy, you as a trader, regardless of the platform you are trading upon, what is your take on the future of this industry in the next 5 years?
And that's a very good question, Omondi. And I have sat down with not once, not two, not three people, because every time there's a meeting, a global meeting in Kenya, trust me, I am always there to actually give out my feedback. The other day tulikuwa na a very big conference yenye ilikuwa inafanyika hapa, and I was called there to give the same opinion about Forex traders in Kenya. And then when I was there, I came to notice that in Kenya, we do not actually have a common group of Forex traders who actually take accountability for the country. So in future, when you look at what we have to offer as Forex traders, unapata ni same thing, kelele. Because right now, as we are looking at the future of trading, what I would like us to work into is accountability and also partnering. This is a good broker. We earn from commissions. If earning from a commission, let no trader mwenye ako kwa room I feel bad about it. Hakuna mtu mwenye ana earn commission ni mwizi. You are actually doing affiliate marketing and you are okay. If you have an influence and you are able to bring someone in to trade in a platform, you are doing a good job and you are supposed to be paid big. So tuseme ati watu wenye wako kwa internet wenye wana push Forex ni wezi. No, they can make more money. And I can tell you, affiliate marketing pays really well, especially if you know.
Sorry to cut you short. You see, kuna point umemake, wacha nirudie. Most people say that Forex trading is a scam. Why do you think many people have that perception?
It's because of the people who are doing the same things and you will unasema, like having the scam sites, which we cannot be able to call them outside as pioneer traders. We cannot be able to call them because we do not even know kama ni wa Kenya. Mimi hata naangalianga wengine hapa TikTok, leo ndo nimejua ni wa Kenya. Mimi nadhaningi ni watu kutoka Uganda, Tanzania. So unapatanga the moment we start focus, alafu wa Kenya watupatiangi ile decorum ya ku understand that Forex is real, wajue the difference between the real Forex and the scam. So wana generalize. So unakaa chini unasema huyu aliibiwa $10 jana. So amekuja akaniita kama mimi Sammyboy, akaniita tena au mwingine pia ni scam. Sasa ndamwambia nini Omondi? Si ndamwambia tu ni sawa. You see? So if we get to a point where we have a decorum as Forex traders when you wako Kenya, and we work towards being positive and working towards like helping each other, sisi kwa sisi kwanza, and then the community wa Kenya wakuja wa learn the real Forex trading, wa understand between binary trading and Forex CFDs, they will actually credit our industry and waseme i profession iko tu sawa.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sammyboy. I will get back to you in a few. TZFX, please kindly just introduce yourself. What are you trading exactly?
This is TZX. I'm basically a full-time binary and Forex trader, okay? So I guess that one explains enough. So mimi ni mtu wa binary na Forex, nafanya zote, but I use Deriv as my broker. So let me just address an issue Mr. Truth Watchdog was actually talking about, na nikasikia na naonanga akiongelea time and time again, and this is basically it. Hii point yake anashinanga kusema everything that we always do, watu wanafanya binary kwanza, he is always mad about Deriv options traders, he is always very mad. This is it. Mr. Truth Watchdog anashinda kusema watu wanafanya binary, they are actually gambling. So I don't get the point why he always says that just because someone places a trade, let's say he's trading over and under, he's trading over one, risking $10 to get $3. True, that's true. That is gambling, okay? But they are the reef is very wide. Kuna kitu Sammyboy amesema. Having 4 years trading the reef kutoka 2022, I've learned a lot of strategies. No, na you can just check. Gambling is whereby inaitwaje? The risk to reward is ni kitu iko chini. Hiyo ni kitu moja tunafaa kuelewa, ni kitu iko chini. So una risk $100 upate 70. That is purely gambling. But there is these other contract types zenye you have to work with the price action. Kwa binary options you can work with price action. That is a rise and fall contract types. Zingine zinaitwa only ups only downs, kuna zingine zinaitwa vitu na deal na market yenyewe venye inakaa. So dealing with
TZ, let me ask you something, or maybe your colleagues can also make a question. Do you think an average person can realistically make a profit out of trading? An average person, without influencing on answer or anything?
An average person? Yes, he can make some profits. That's the point.
So
he can make profits.
Can I land? Naeza ongea.
Okay.
This goes to all these forex traders that we're seeing online. If this thing is paying the way you guys are claiming it to be paying, why are you all recruiting these people with money, educating them with their own school fees to be able to earn that money through other sources? Because I've seen people that have been caught up on this app. Who Kenyan Prince? Let me be precise. Kenyan Prince, to begin with, he started this thing on my platform. Those who remember. Back in the days, Kenyan Prince alianzaga history ya Forex kwa platform yangu. Tukiwa na jamaa anaitwa what is his name? This guy from Texas. So mimi naulizaje, if this thing is paying the way you guys are claiming it to be paying, why do you have to recruit people to use money to be able to make that money while they're also trying to hustle for that money to be able to get that money to come in?
You.
Please do.
Okay.
Can I answer first?
So,
Big Daddy, now we have to accept this point, all of us, okay? Someone cannot invest his time, his resources. You don't know where I went to get the knowledge from, right?
Who asked you to teach?
Listen, Mr. Truth Watchdog, nyamaza bwana. Nyamaza. Relax, okay? You guys are the ones who are coming to our DMs. Mimi hata sitakuja kukufuata kwa DM eti nikwambie nitakufunza. Utaona nikifanya kitu, ukuje uniambie mkuu, nimeona you are doing this, can you teach me? Then I tell you, mimi nitakataa pesa surely. Mimi nitakataa pesa eti nataka nikufunza. I'll teach you, I'll coach you, but not everyone mwenye atafunzwa ama atapitia kwa mikono yetu atakuwa profitable. It comes from yourself. Ni wewe utajifanya.
That is an explanation. That is an explanation. Okay, that is an explanation. Do you know that some of you forex traders are out here selling the same sentiment to people that are vulnerable, coming in with big money, opting to make something out of it? Some of them are even selling lands, or they're even borrowing money from other sources just to be able to try and make something out of it, only to realize that wameoshwa. Unajua ama ujui?
Najua, but let me...
Kumekuwa na complaints. I'm being precise.
Can I answer you something, brother?
Please do, go ahead.
I need to... I think it's first time coming across to you, like you said. I need to answer you something. You asked about why do you need to recruit other people? And I think it's because you just joined this live. And I want to actually tell you how it is. Mimi naitwa SBK, ama Sammyboy Kenya. So here is the thing. As someone who does not and I'm talking of general people who are in this market, and it can apply to you as well if you are interested. As someone who is very new into trading, you look at a primary source of income, and then you realize you do not have a primary source of income. But also, you've learned, you have the knowledge, a few knowledge you've gained from the, online courses and, experience. And then you decide, you amalize simu kwanza. So, you decide, you decide, what you need to do is you need to start trading, and you need to actually be able to work for someone to be able to make a primary source of income. So here is what I'm talking. Kuna kitu inaitwa affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something well known globally. Anybody can do. It's not like drop shipping, but affiliate marketing. What does that mean to you? Affiliate marketing is when you get a chance to recruit someone into the same company you're trading to get a commission. So that applies to any other person you bring into the Forex industry. The difference is that the Forex company will pay you quite a good amount of money to be able to bring that person in. So I don't know if that has answered you when you ask her, like, why would you bring someone into the trading industry? And I think for me to be able to earn an extra amount of money, I'm not stealing from you. And one thing you need to know is I'm not getting paid from your money.
Okay, Sammy, you've answered my question, but I want you to be precise with me when it comes to these sentiments. Are you aware that there are people that have been conned based on being led through the same sentiment of come in with this, we will give you that? Are you aware that there are some Forex traders that are luring people into this same Sammy, are you aware that the innocent ones who are opting to make something out of something, they're coming genuinely trying to make a living on the basis that they are going to make something out of Kenya Wataleta? Are you aware that some of you are you aware? Just wait.
It's my question. What any answer? Now,
are you aware that kuna some of you here that are really doing it legitimately? Hold on the music, please. Uko aware, Sammy, that kuna watu wameibiwa hapa in the name of Forex, na traders wenye wanajulikana kwa mtandao wakubwa wenye are well known. So can you please clarify that? How will these people be sure? The ones that are paying school fees to learn the Forex? The ones that are coming innocent.
Here's the thing.
Okay, fanya hivi to define here, how will they be able to know who is legit and who is not? Because what wanakoni hapa day in, day out, and you know it.
Let me tell you, first of all, the expectation of every single person who is coming into the Forex market should actually be checked, because you as an individual who want to be able to venture into Forex industry, you need to understand the risk. When you understand the risk, you will manage your emotions. When you manage your emotions, you will manage what you are putting yourself into. Because there's no way, Big Daddy, hello? There's no way you will come to me, Sammy, and be, hi, Sammy, I'm having trouble. I have a loan somewhere I need to clear, and I need us to work on something trading. And here's the reality. The future of economics, all these things, nobody knows. First of all, I want to change your mindset from retail traders, institution traders, and banks and feds. We are retail traders. We do not control the market. The market is actually moved by the banks, institutions, and the feds. Sisi, we use brokers. The reason why we use brokers is like hanging on a full bus to get to your destination. So every single person who is coming to ride with you as a retail trader, unanisikiza kweli? Any person who is coming to hang with you as a retail trader kwa hiyo bus might fall with you in that bus, and guess what? They will blame you. So every single person mwenye anaingia, ukiniambia mtu ameenda ameuza shamba akaingia kwa Forex traders, first things first, they need to understand what were they looking for from high risk, high reward. Because Retailers, 85 to 95% of retail traders lose their money. So what do you mean you can be able to be in that 5% when you are profitable? When we are talking about 95%, inamaanisha kwa watu 10 ni mmoja atakuwa profitable. Right or wrong? So wewe umeenda umeuza shamba ukifikiria wewe ni huyo 5%. Haiwezi. So the reality about trading is any person mwenye anaingia pale, kitu ya kwanza inafaa kukuja kwa akili yake, it's the most risky business in the entire world. Elon Musk lost almost 250 billion in a day. In a day. Na guess what? Nilikuwa nimebuy stocks kwa hiyo kampani yake. I lost money. I lost a lot of money. So I will not go and tell Elon Musk, bana wewe wacha bana nilipoteza pesa kwa hii SpaceX yako. Mimi nilibuy ikiwa wakati Elon Musk alifika 1.1 trillion. I lost almost 2 million Kenyan shillings because nilikuwa nimebuy shares zake SpaceX. Wakati ilishuka to 950 billion, I lost money. But I did not go to Twitter nianze kuambia Elon Musk, by the way, nilipoteza pesa. It's me who decided to put that 2 million into that, expecting to make money.
Meland, another question on top of that. When we are busy, or rather you guys, when you guys are recruiting people to come in the markets,
Yes.
when you guys are coaching them to be Forex traders, when you guys are telling them to bring in money, do we as well explain the part of the risk? Because most cases that I've heard of, what I'm by the way, you're new with me, nice to meet you, you're meeting me for the first time. Huyu KP ananijua. KP tumetoka naye mbali, wacha siku hizi anaringa hapa before anze kuendesha ma GLD. Well kwa jamangu way back before I joined Forex. Akitap hapa screen. So what I'm saying is this. Do you guys tell people the risk before they put in the money? Because we've had cases by wana kwa coached. The only part mnaongeaga ni vile pesa ita pesa. Amwambie watu kweli because kuna very vulnerable people. So I'm saying this on behalf of those that cannot be able
Yes,
to
I know. Now here is the thing.
Just listen to me. Let me finish my statement. Do you guys explain to these people that there are risk of you not getting the money, or you guys are always speaking highly of what somebody will gain based on what they're trading in? The explanation is always one-sided. You guys are always praising how Forex is good, the way you build pesa. But amwambia watu kweli kuna risk. Kwa mtu kama mimi naweza kuwa niko na $200 za kucheza nayo. I would not mind losing $100, like 10, $1,000 or something. But kuna them say atakuja kutafuta pesa because they need the money and they need probably double the amount based on the explanations zenye mnapeana hapa online. Amwambia watu it's a do or die situation. It's a lose or win situation.
Now let me explain to you.
Wengi wanauzia watu historia, the sentiment of bring money and you will get money in. That's what I'm telling you. People are borrowing money to come and make profit out of it, only to realize that the explanation that has been given with what is happening on the ground are totally two different things.
Now let me now wacha nikujibu hiyo.
Yeah.
To start with, I mentioned before the word Forex influencers. And it's very unfortunate that most people do that. But I will not speak about a single person in this trading, but I want to generalize every single Forex trader and every person in the world. Here is the thing, brother. When every single person is coming into the trading, they do not come because you have knowledge. They come because they see what you have. They see you are driving a GLE. They see you are driving a Porsche. They see you are driving a GLE. I want you to put in mind. And those people are coming to tell you that they lost 1 million or they lost this. Those people will go sell their car and then they will come because they see you have a GLE and they want to buy a GLE. Someone who has big money or stuff, they will understand the risk because they did not get where they are without knowing. And when these people come to you and you explain to them, you will tell them exactly that, trading is a risk. Personally, I've told someone that this trading is a risk and we may not make money. And guess what? They did not, they gave consent about the trade. And guess what? Nobody knows about the future of the market. Money got lost. And when the money gets lost, that's when the person is coming to tell you, what was the money about? That's when the person is coming to tell you, unanisikiza kweli? That's when the person is coming to tell you, oh, your pesa ilikuwa ya kitu fulani. What they came to you because is not because you are a skilled trader. It's because they see what you do, they see your cars, they see, and that's why most of the Forex traders, when you wanaanza newbies, they buy a lot of cars because they want to sell a lifestyle. You understand? They cannot.
Point of correction.
Yeah.
Hawa watu kuna kitu wa kuambia. Sami, ambia watu you sell these people lifestyle. And so they come buying lifestyle. You don't sell the Forex.
Ndio nimesema, like that's what exactly nilikuwa namwambia, like most people who come to you, if you come to me as a new person, you will come and you will ask me, Sammy, I have $1,000. Can you make $6,000? The reality is I am not going to know the source of your income. You understand? Because when that money is lost is when they will come to tell you that hiyo pesa ilikuwa ya kitu fulani. But me as a Forex trader, I will not know where that money is coming from. And that is the reality of trading. So if there is any other person, and I condemn that, if there is any other person mwenye akianzanga, personally mimi, I will always tell you, if you go on my page, you will see a very big risk assessment. Like if you are coming to trade with me, you will understand that there is a risk involved. There is no broker, even MT5. Ochola, even MT5 yenyewe, okay, Big Daddy, if you go to MT5, you will understand that they will send you an user agreement that you are going to lose money because leverage may work on your advantage or disadvantage. And here is something most people don't know. All of these traders don't tell people. Trading is an industry where smart people take money from dumb people.
That is stealing. That is what I was saying.
No. That is the reality. Big Daddy, listen. No, listen.
Wait. Nimekuachia mic for long. Chukua nini 508 meters hapa.
Kuna kitu sijamaliza. Utani misunderstand.
Usikiza hii part. Ukisema smart people taking people, it's like politicians when they come to seek for our votes. They lie to us.
Sijamaliza hiyo statement.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, smart people taking money from dumb people, it's when it comes to the market level. That's why in the market, we have the green candle and we have the red candle. If you enter at any particular point, unaona mimi sahi mimi na Ochola tukae na wewe tuna buy gold. Mimi ni buy na wewe sell instantly. One of us must make money, right? So if one of us must make money, does that make you stupid? So that's exactly what is in trading. Some of us, when you enter into the market and when you lose money in the market, someone else somewhere is being paid. So when you are coming to trade, wewe personally sahi ukiingia kwa market, Big Daddy, I will tell you, if you are going to buy right now and the market drops, wewe ingia, wewe na rafiki yako mmoja ingie buy, mwingine ingie sells. One of you will have to make money. Ingia with the same amount of money. One of you will make the same. One of you will make an extra 1,000. One of you will lose the whole 1,000. What does that show you?
Your point is home and clear. So you guys are making money while the normal people that are joining are the ones losing based on you guys getting profit off the asses.
No,
That is
the whole explanation.
Somebody else to speak. Somebody else.
Sammyboy clear the whole thing.
People are getting money in.
Big Daddy, listen.
Wanatengeneza pesa. So wale wenye wanakuja kuja ndani.
The thing is, wewe unabishana sana. Like the point is, Sammyboy pia amejikolide, but the thing is, how bana ni mamenta. Ukisikia jamaa wanaitwa like Kenyan Prince, utasikia wanaitwa tu mentors. Like they inspire you. So kupoteza pesa, kupata pesa, hiyo ni kazi yako. Si mimi nimekufanya ukuje. I'm marketing my business, you have come. Umekuja
wewe kwanza wewe angalia Big Daddy Sammy amesema hapa, Sammy said himself, munauziwa lifestyle.
No, acha ni
Most people
majibu
go to
story
them
na
because
lifestyle.
account
Let me
management is real.
no,
answer
that is a
that.
statement. Hold on, man. I don't even know you. I don't even talking to you. I was talking to Sammy. Can you wait? Nimalize statement yangu, please. I hate being interrupted. That's why I'm gonna patiana mic when it's necessary. Sammy said here, most people here wananunua lifestyle yenye wana live, which I really agree with. A lot of people want to see kila mtu anataka kuishi flashy lifestyle. Tumeona wengine wanauza mkundu huko nje. Tumeona ma influencer huko wakitusifia vile wana earn from influencing. Wamenikwa juzi kukume they're selling mkundu, which I don't disagree with. We are all thriving to survive. We are all surviving to thrive. But I'm asking one question. The vulnerable people that are coming, borrowing money to come here to want to trade, are you guys explaining to them in details, umwambie, hey, this is it's a 50-50 situation. It's a pata potea. Ni kama zile enzi za kadi. Me I played cards back in Nairobi before I came to the US. Nairobi ilikuwa zile makadi vile una flip, umeweka pesa hapa na kumbe kadi ni ile nyingine. Do you guys sit down with them? Mwambie, hey, there's no guarantee or assurance that pesa itakuja. Because mimi Sammyboy, I'm talking to you because I swear to God, ni vile mimi I don't like getting involved na hizi shenanigans za pesa on TikTok anymore. Nili earn pesa back way in the days. I've gained my followers, I've gained my following, and I've enjoyed my time on TikTok. These days I just swing it around if I can. Do you guys sit down with them and tell them, hey, there's no guarantee utatengeneza pesa?
Big Daddy. So here's the thing. Every single person mwenye anakuja personally to me, ananikujia because of the experience and the knowledge I've gained from the market. Ama ameniona kwa internet. If you go and Google best forex traders.
But ni follow back. I want to start with you. That trade na $100 nione kama it makes sense so that I know whether this thing is work or not. I have $100 to play with. Follow me back.
I'll follow you.
Continue.
So like what I'm saying is
doing nothing.
What I'm saying is if what I'm trying to say is if you go to the to Google and you Google best forex traders in Kenya, you will see part of it. You will see my name.
Yeah.
So when you come to me, what I will tell you is, first of all, you are very confident that Sammy is going to make money. That's the one thing that comes in your head. Sammy is going to make money as the best forex trader in Kenya. When you come to me, I will tell you my win ratio. Kuna kitu inaitwa win ratio. For me, my win ratio at this particular proved. Me, I'm an award-winning trader, by the way. I know you don't know, but I have 3 awards. I'm one winning trader. So when you come to me, I have 87% chances.
I've seen you around social media.
Yes, I have proved it. Niko na certificate, not like something yenye najipea. Me, I have certificates and I am accredited by Kenya awards. So I will show you 87% win ratio on my trades. What does that show you? I am not 100% sure about what I am doing in the market based on future results. So when you come to me, nitakwambia,
chill out. Damn. This is a deep conversation.
When you come to me, nitakwambia, my win ratio is 87%. Are you in or out? What does that mean? The 13% which is available is losing the entire investment. Ni kupoteza pesa. Hiyo ni kitu yenye mimi sijai kosa kuambia mtu. Even when I post.
Unaitikia nini hiyo? Hakuna 80% hapa.
No, nasikiza.
Nakupiga unaitikia nini?
Ni kusikiza. Imaanisha I'm agreeing with those opinions. I'm just listening. Go ahead, Sammy, please.
Wacha ni argue wacha ni argue na Watchdog kidogo. Watchdog, when we are talking about any trading, when we are talking about 50-50, what does that make you? It makes you a gambler. When you come to 60 to 100, when you are getting to 60 to 40, what you are doing there is guesswork. And guess what? Kuna watu walizaliwa na luck. You can enter into the market right now, na ufinye buy ama ufinye sell, you are going to make money. What does that make you? It does not make you a gambler. It just made you a guesser. And then when you go up 10%, it makes you a trader. When you go 10% up, it makes you an experienced trader. So when you get 80%, you are far from being a gambler. When you are talking about 50-50, you are talking about gambling, because hiyo ndio inaitwa gambling. When you are talking about 80% of 100, inamaanisha the 30% yenye umeacquire hapo is either from experience and from the results that you have and from whatever is inclusive into the trading industry, starting from strategy, fundamentals na technical analysis will give you the extra 20%. Sijui kama una agree nayo.
Now to somebody else, KFX. KFX, on the matter of website, I have received a concern here. So these people that create these websites, could you agree with me that they customize the websites so that kuna venye mtu amekewa a lose mara tano na a win mara moja with a very small margin? Or what exactly are this website designed? Because there's somebody saying here that it is just it is just a complaint from one of those clients that Prince Charla has served. She says that she placed 15,000 Kenyan shillings, and Charla informed her that she will be winning 105,000 after the spin. Unfortunately, hata message hakuona, alideposit pesa, hakuwa juu venye kulichezwa, everything went. So could you please, just before we give Kenyan Prince Kenyan Prince microphone, KFX, hebu tueleze hapa, what do you know about this website? Unmute.
Me, I've already spoken about kitu najua about websites. So mimi niulizeni mambo ya forex kwa ground, cause me I don't deal with websites. Mi kitu nimesema websites 99.999% ukituma pesa, ukideposit itaenda kwa mwenyewe. And then after that
Was making a point. Are you there? Just before Kenya Prince.
Kitu understand, hizo site zote utoto unaona.com.ke sijui what, hizo site zina hold kitu inaitwa paybill.
Exactly.
Pesa kwa paybill inaitwa B2C. So B2C na C2B inamaanisha client. So we client ukitumia business do inamaanisha kuna kitu umenunua. Sasa we umenunua simulations, ujionyesha we ni trader. Sijui over under. Kuna AI itakuanalyzia nonsense. Hiyo pesa imeishia kwake. Ni do yake, si eti pesa yake imeibwa. The site is designed to allow people to deposit money into their own personal paybill accounts. And then those paybill accounts was inasetiwa automatic, which means hiyo do, for example, account ya TWD option ikifika 100k automatically site ita withdraw your pesa iende kwa bank account yangu. Unanielewa? So si eti umeibiwa, uliibiwa the time uli deposit.
So guys,
exactly.
Sammyboy, I think Mimi nimeongea sana kwa platform hadi nilichoka, nikaona acha nisikize. Let me start from the scam sites for the last time. Truth Watchdog has a concept, but he doesn't really understand. Omondi, let me start with the question yenye umeuliza K. In fact, the person that has asked the question is the most right person to explain about how sites work. One thing about the scam sites, you will withdraw money. Let nobody lie to you. Once you deposit money, it's not going directly to these people's accounts. You deposit money, you can be able to trade, you can be able to make profit, and you can withdraw money. What happens is the risk to reward ratio, the margin at which you can make profit on these sites is limited. For example, let's assume you've deposited 5,000 Kenyan shillings. You are risking 1,000 per trade. From 1,000, you can make 200 or 100 shillings. You understand? And since we are human beings, human psychology works in such a way that if I made 100 shillings from 1,000, let me risk 2,000 to make 200. Let me risk 5,000 to make 500. What happens? The system has been stimulated in such a way that now you can win twice. And you see, come on, win twice, you could have made 100 times 2. That is 200 shillings. But once you are losing, you're going to lose like 4,000, or rather you're going to lose like 2,000. So the amount of money you're losing is higher than whatever you are risking to gain. That is how it works. And the system, you know, a programmed system knows how to maneuver around. So they know the new clients, the win rate, the old bees, the higher depositors, lower depositors, they manipulate everything. So, mtu asisema ati ndio ujua ati ni legit uta withdraw. Kila site uta withdraw. But the chances of you becoming profitable ati unde milioni kutoka hapo, lies. Sahau. Point number 2. Trading being gambling. What I'd say about trading being gambling, yes, trading is not gambling. Trading is a high risk activity. Trading ni place yenye chances of you losing money, they're almost guaranteed because you're trading alongside big financial institutions like banks, like hedge funds, like the financial institutions. So we retail traders, we access the market using brokers. You understand? That is why hatuwezi access the financial markets directly. That is why we have to use maybe an intermediary yenye sasa ni the broker, which comes in where you deposit your money, then the broker takes your money to trade for you in the financial markets. So let not people assume that now trading, since it has been associated with scam activities, trading is a scam. Trading is not a scam entirely. It is us, the influencers, the so-called we people who claim to be Forex traders, who are using trading as a way of scamming you. The reason as to why we are using trading as a way of scamming you is because
He's driving, guys, and hang. So KP is admitting one thing. Even them traders
other
themselves,
people,
they don't have
be
access to the money that
somewhere
guys are putting down.
they'd be somewhere making their money silently. They cannot come on social media to shout, oh, billionaires don't come online to tell us, oh, this is where I go and make money. Some of us is because maybe we have that. There are people who are on social media because they have the influence, or rather because we can be able to chase your pressure, kukua na audience kila saa. We might be having links to push. We have been given links by brokers to advertise them to earn in terms of commissions. But most people who are coming into the game right now, they have to scam people for them to be able to survive. And one thing about scamming is you have to show people their lifestyle. You understand? You have to keep on showing off. What do you have? You want me to invest in your broker? You want me to trade with you? What do you have as a person? That is why utarealize kila siku KP ananua Range Rover. Kesho anataka kunua hii. To show people that, you know, I have a Range Rover. I can show you how to get a Range Rover. So that these people can come to me. Sijui kama mnanielewa. So, trading entirely is not a scam. But most people are using it to scam people. So, I don't think kama kuna mtu ana swali anaweza niuliza.
Umedinya point hapa, wacha turudi huko malidinya point. You said people like you that were influence maybe na ikawasaidia. Mnakuja mnauzia watu the lifestyle,
yes,
even knowing very well that not all of them are going to win. What are you guys doing based on knowing that some of these people are vulnerable, borrowing money na kuja na pesa na hawatafaulu kama nyinyi na wanakuja kupiga nduru hapa juu, waliuza shamba, waliuza pesa? How do you guys respond to them? Because kuna complaints. Mimi you know, mimi I do fact since day one, by the way. You know mmoja watu wajuagi. Mimi na tumetoka mbali, hata sasa hizo kijifanya hapa sijui mara mabenza and all that shit. I don't give a fuck about all that shit. Fuck all the benza and all that. Na kuulizaje wale wakulima wadogo wenye wameuza shamba, mnakujaga how do you guys mna respondigi aje wakijaribu kuwa rich after pesa imeenda?
Achani kwa kitu moja. The reason as to why Big Daddy, me guys, let me talk about myself. And I'm not here to bring anyone down ama mtu asema I'm being personal or something. The reason as to why I'm one of the hardest, or rather, I'm one of the most grinding individuals in the game is because one thing about me unajua me, I'm a truthful man. Me had come here and tell you, guys, ukiona site na ina derive na uko na direct deposits, hiyo ni scam. Na kesho niamke ni market hiyo site. Because you know why? I'd always, the reason as to why you survive in the game for long and you grind well is because when you tell people the truth. Me every time nikiongelea trading, I tell people, haina haja kama uko na $500 zako peke yake, ukimbie kwa market ati unataka kuwa profitable. There is no need, because you are guaranteed at the end of the day you're gonna lose this money. So one thing about myself personally, Big Daddy, I've always told people, trading is risky. They can testify. I always insist on telling you, remember to trade responsibly and involve risk management whenever you are carrying out your trading. So tunawaambianga one thing about Kenyans, bro, kitu unafojua these Africans, they are greedy with money. Wanataka tu kuunda do. They don't care whatever they are going to encounter. Mtu tu anataka kuunda. Nilisikia Samia akisema utaambia mtu ukita
I think KP is driving and
I'm
is
trading
hanging a lot.
for
So
one guy. Yeah?
KP una hang a lot. You keep on
Juu
missing the
niko kwa
point.
barabara. Juu niko kwa barabara. So, cut the long story short, we usually tell these people about the risk. You check our platforms we are using, they have the risk disclaimers. That trading is risky and traders